Hello and welcome back friends. Standard 7 Social Science चैप्टर सेकेंड द दिल्ली सल्तनत। आज हम इस चैप्टर का फुल एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन देखने वाले हैं। एग्जाम में मोस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज में से ही आते हैं, इसलिए हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन में ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे। एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 MCQ। फर्स्ट MCQ इज who established चहलगानी चारगान of the Delhi Sultanate? Answer is D. Iltutmish. Second MCQ, who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Answer is option A. Razia Sultana. Number 3, which ruler of Delhi started Tarangi Yojana, eccentric scheme? Answer is number C. Muhammad Tughlaq. Next MCQ, who founded Vijayanagar Empire? Option number B, Harihar Rai and Bukka Rai. Now we are going to show question number 2. Fill in the blanks. First blank, ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा is located in blank city. Answer is Ajmer. Second, blank is in the center of administrative system of Delhi Sultanate. Answer is Sultan. Third blank, blank was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Fourth, blank founded Siri town. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. अब हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 words. First question, where is Qutub Minar located? Answer is in Delhi. Between who was the first battle of Panipat fort? Answer is between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. Third question, in whose time was Alai Darwaza built? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Question number 4, who established the kingdom of Bahmani? Answer is Jafar Khan. Question number 4, answer the following question in short. First question, which cities were settled around Delhi during Muhammad Tughlaq's rule? Answer is the cities like Tughlaqabad, Firozabad, Hisar, Jaunpur, Firozpur, Fatehabad, etc. were settled around Delhi during Muhammad Tughlaq's rule. Question number 2, describe the architectures of सल्तनत पीरियड. जब सल्तनत काल चल रहा था तब के आर्किटेक्चर्स कैसे हैं, उनके उदाहरण एग्जाम्पल्स देने हैं. यहाँ पे हम कुतुब मीनार, ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा लिख सकते हैं और डिटेल देनी है उसके बारे में. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सुल्तान कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक बिल्ट मॉस्क्यू नेम्ड कुव्वत उल इस्लाम इन दिल्ली. Second, he started the construction of famous Qutub Minar in Delhi. Only one floor of this tomb was constructed during the reign of his time. After the death of Qutbuddin, his son-in-law Iltutmish completed the rest of the work of Qutub Minar. Third, Qutbuddin Aibak built a mosque named ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा in Ajmer. Fourth, the construction like house a Shammi Eidgah and Jama Masjid were built during the period of Iltutmish. Alauddin Khilji constructed the architectures like Alai Darwaza, Siri Fort and House e Khas. Sixth point, during the Tughlaq rule, Tughlaqabad, Firozabad, Hisar, Jaunpur, Firozpur, Fatehabad, etc. towns were established. Last point, during Sayyid and Lodi dynasty, the architectures like Bande Khan's dome, Bada Gumbaj, Mosque and Shihabuddin's tomb, etc. were built. Last question, question number 3, give brief information about Krishna Dev Rai. Answer, Krishna Dev Rai was the best ruler of Tuluva dynasty of the Vijayanagar Empire. He was the great and powerful ruler of India at that time. He won many battles during his rule. He standardized the administration of his state. आगे आंसर कंटिन्यू है। ही गॉट lakes and canals dug for the irrigation in the state and enriched agriculture. He abolished some unjust taxes and gained love of the people. He established a new town called Nagalpur near Vijayanagar. He decorated that town with various buildings and magnificent temples. Krishna Dev Rai was himself a great scholar. He was a devotee of literary art. He was a writer of Telugu and Sanskrit. He wrote a book called Amukta Malaida. He gave shelter to many poets. Krishna Dev Rai had encouraged literature and art like King Bhoj. Hence he became well known as the Bhoj of Andhra. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स। यहाँ पे हमारी संपूर्ण एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होती है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक एंड कमेंट कर दीजिए। ऐसी ही न्यू एंड इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारी चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करके बाजू में आने वाले बेल आइकन को ऑल पर सेट कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।